Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Irish bangers. First, select high-quality Irish bangers from your local butcher or grocery store. Their quality truly makes a difference. You'll need a heavy-bottomed frying pan and about 1 tablespoon of oil, such as vegetable or sunflower. Place the pan over a medium-low flame, allowing it to heat gently. This initial step is crucial for developing that wonderful, crispy exterior we all love, so don't rush it. Patience here will be rewarded with perfectly cooked sausages. Once your pan is warm, carefully place the bangers in, making sure not to overcrowd them. Give each banger enough space to cook properly. Sear them for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side, allowing them to develop a beautiful, golden brown crust. The key here is to turn them frequently, perhaps every 2 to 3 minutes, to ensure even cooking and a consistent color all around. This slow and steady approach prevents the skins from bursting and keeps the inside juicy. After achieving that lovely sear, reduce the heat to low and continue cooking for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. You can cover the pan during this stage to help the bangers cook through gently, ensuring they remain incredibly juicy and tender on the inside. To confirm they are perfectly cooked, you can use a meat thermometer. The internal temperature should reach 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Alternatively, a banger should feel firm to the touch when fully cooked. Once your bangers are cooked to perfection, let them rest for about 5 minutes off the heat. This allows the juices to redistribute, making them even more succulent. Now for the best part, serving. Classic Irish bangers are fantastic with creamy mashed potatoes and a generous pour of rich onion gravy. For a truly authentic experience, consider adding a side of buttered cabbage or some garden peas. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, flavorful Irish bangers, a truly comforting and delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.